Welcome to Rides and Vibes. My name is Jamie Holder. Today we are in Harry Potter's Forbidden Forest and we're going to take you in depth inside it. We hope you do enjoy. Come through the forest with us and enjoy the vibes that this place has. It's given like a lightning amount of goosebumps as we just walk through the door. So here we go. Hope you enjoy Harry Potter and the Forbidden Forest.
The wands actually aren't too bad because we did pay.
Illuminating wands are $90.
Yeah, they light up at the end.
Yeah, they illuminate. Some monies. How are you feeling now?
Excited.
Excited?
Oh, it's a dancing party! Dancing party!
It's a dancing party. It's very pretty. Yeah. You can definitely see why they are doing this at night time. Like, these lights are just phenomenal. Do you have that do you have the chill feeling yet? Like goosebumps?
I had that back there.
Back there? Layla, how's getting goosebumps? No, that goosebumpy, happy feeling and excitement of going into something?
Yeah.
Do you not get goosebumps when you get excited about something? Wow. Smile! Is that Willow? Oh. This is the thing, this is where you need, like, you just got to make sure you don't feel rushed. To make it eerie, it's smoke stuff. They do it on purpose.
Oh, we need to put it over there.
The forest? I thought that was a joke. We can't go in there. Students aren't allowed.
Here, brother.
And there are werewolves.
There's more than werewolves in those trees, lad. You can be sure of that. Now, do you know it?
They're quite gentle, really, but people avoid them because they're big.
It's late. It's nearly dark. You shouldn't be here. If someone sees you outside the castle this time, I know you'll be in trouble. Right. Let's go. Now,
Babe, you gotta
you have to let him make the first move.
You gotta bounce.
Only polite.
And it says be polite.
Now, you have to let him make the first move. Only polite. So, step up, give him a nice bow, then you wait and see if he bows back. If he does, you can go and touch him. If not, well, we'll get to that later. First thing you want to know about hippogriffs is that they're very proud creatures. Very easily offended.
Yeah.
You do not want to insult a hippogriff. It may just be the last thing you ever do. Now, go and say hello.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Going up, see that nice close to the road, nice big way out.
That would be so cool working here.
That was one of those things I knew I was lining up for.
Oh, we had, no matter what, anything there is to line up, we've got to line up for.
Give me Harry Potter. This and none beyond. Give me Harry Potter, and I shall leave Hogwarts untouched. Give me Harry Potter, and you will be rewarded. You have 1 hour.
You scare me. She got scared.
That was cool.
Mum is scared.
Yeah, I know, she's... I didn't like the Dementor coming through.
I give you card.
Like, that was phenomenal. The Dementor coming, play that part there.
That's oh, what the
It's okay, Papa, I got you. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you. It's okay.
I did it. I did it.
Thank you.
Oh, they even said it wrong. There is not one person who would be in this place who would not want to have a go.
Come down into this queue.
Yeah. To actually do. All right, you ready? 1, 2, expecto Patronum.
Make it a powerful.
You did it! Yay!
I like to fill you up.
You did it, oh my god.
So the good thing is about halfway through, there is some food and drinks, just like snacks and little things like you still like the hot chocolate that we had before. They have them down here. So it's halfway through. So we've been about halfway through now, and you can get order some foods, drinks, and all that sort of stuff. So absolutely fantastic. So far, Willow has been scared 95% of the time. Through these points, we're about halfway through this at the moment. I'm out of breath a bit actually. Like it's a bit of walk. It's a bit of a walk, but I've got to constantly hold Willow and carry her because it is actually quite scary for her. Even Layla, who's about 13, she finds it a little bit scary at certain points. So it's just something to consider while you're here. Is do you have kids who are probably a little bit scared of certain themes like horror themes and that sort of stuff? It is a lot of jump scare for a lot of them. Like Willow did get scared. She's holding on like dear life, so it's a bit of a battle walking through the forest and carrying her. So I wouldn't have even been able to put her in a pram because if I had a pram, I would have had to have taken her out anyway. Then I would have had to carry the pram at the same time. So it just wouldn't be worth it. Halfway through, totally worth it. This is an amazing experience. The lights are just phenomenal, and how they've just put it together. It is packaged perfectly, and I mean perfectly. The sound effects, everything just works together really well. So far, an amazing thing, and glad we drove from Melbourne.
Giant ant-looking bug things.
Same as what we had on the gondola?
It wasn't flying though.
Oh, right.
That was a wasp.
I swear that was a big giant flying ant. All right, so now we're at the looks like the second part of this now. So it'll be interesting.
Devil's Snare hates sunlight. Luma Solen.
I feel like something's watching me. Something keeps staring at me.
You're going mad. I can see them too. You're just as sane as I am.
Well, half-brother, really.
Yeah, ring the bell and we'll go.
Yeah.
That's okay. Is it cute? Does Willow want to have a try?
Nuts.
Does Willow want to try?
Hey! Well done, Baba. You did it.
Yeah. Oh, we got to wait for the next one. Is that fun, though? Mum, she's trying to wave a wand. She's like this.
Yeah, she's not here.
You want to do it? Yeah. Okay, ready? We're going to do it.
Colivaria. Really loud, like Willow.
Yeah.
There you go. You did it. Way! Wow, pretty. Look what you did to the lights.
We have magic. Oh no, we go to the next one. We do the next one, yeah? Willow, look, go cheese.
Willow. Cheese.
Look at Mummy say cheese.
No, Jesus.
You both went to do that.
No, I didn't. I just screamed.
It's alright, Baba. I got you.
It scared the shit out of me.
Can you actually not scare me?
I felt it in my chest. It hurt.
Oh, no. This one's scary, Baba. Like, Daddy will hold you this bit.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's it. Daddy's got you.
It's okay, Willow.
Seriously misunderstood creatures spiders are. The eyes, I reckon, they unnerve some.
Stop it.
Looks like some
Do you come to Sissy after?
Remember that too?
I was gonna say much just to jump scare. Do you want to see? Spider. Ooh, look at this spider.
pesky pixie pest nobby!
Mistletoe.
This is our mortality. Most powerful impression of the world. It's really to smell differently to each other. Some of my smell, mushroom grass, parchment, spearmint.
You're gonna cast the spell. 3, 2, 1.
Train you all up. Take whoever needs. Defend yourself.
Perfect. Well done. 1. Let's go.
Mum won. Who won?
Well done. I'll grab those ones off you. Thank you very much. Cheers,
Mum,
have a
you
great
won.
night. See you later.
Thank you.
I said you won.
Yeah. I had a perfect spot.
Do you know what? So that only took 45 minutes. But I think it's because it wasn't very busy. Like, so we didn't have to line up.
No, we didn't. There was no line up for anything. We
I
just.
regret spending my money so bad. At times. Yeah, I'm $53.
I feel like the tops are quite thin.
Yeah, I know.
Well, they are. The jumpers are very warm though. I do like the apron.
You can get an apron and cook dinner.
I feel like I'd get that dirty if you're cooking a barbecue though.
You can get a beanie.
Got a tote bag for $25. Oh, stop it. Seriously. They're quite plain though. They're like not...
But it's
Yeah.
cool. Look at it. It's like glowing.
What are you thinking?
Which one?
Yeah, which one? Which one do you like?
I feel like that one should be able to wear with more in winter though.
But I
Correct.
never wear beanies.
Why not?
Kiss.
Maybe you will if you have one that goes with more stuff.
I like this one.
Okay, well get whatever one you like.
Matches your hair.
I know.
No one will be able to tell you're wearing a beanie.
I know. Just like if you got a grey one, it would match your hair.
When you have a look what Universal Studios has, I'm upset.
I hate to tell you, but like this feels like the big W top that my mum bought and then stuck on the logo, like the thing when we went to the movie.
I know. I'm kind of upset with the quality of it. Like compared to where you get a Universal Studios, the quality of the tops. So if you're going to Universal Studios, you might as well just wait until you go there before you buy any tops. That's just a
But that
hot tip.
is like a good,
But I'm gonna get
It's
that.
a good knit
Look
one.
at Willow. She's so cute. I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah. Can I put that back? They're $40 for a beanie.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
How much is that?
60.
Okay. That's actually not so bad. That would actually sit nicely in our thing.
I know.
Actually,
It's really pretty.
You just... Yeah, but I like that one. I think, yeah, the marshmallows from over here.
Yeah.
So now we're going to have some toasted marshmallows. And the cool thing about here is that when you're doing marshmallows, you get to actually toast them yourself. So they've got actually an open flame. So after you've done your walk, you can toast your marshmallows, roast them over the open flame. They don't give you much of a stick though. That's the interesting thing. So yeah, sprinkles, marshmallow, and also some chocolate. We'll come over to the fire.
I know it is.
So the stick doesn't look long enough.
Ow, it's boiling me.
Is it burning your fingers?
Yes.
Layla, bring yours back a little bit. Do you want a hand? You got it all over your face.
Ready? Got to dip it in the chocolate. And then in the sprinkles.
By itself or with the sprinkles?
She's just eating sprinkles. Are they yummy?
I think I broke a tooth.
Oh really? On the sprinkle? Not a fan of the sprinkles.
I didn't try the sprinkles.
I'm not sauce. I just don't like sprinkles. The devastation of this right now is real. I really want a butterbeer. I did not see that sign earlier on. That's only just been put up. We just finished the trail. And I didn't ask for butterbeer. Going to Harry Potter. I didn't get my butterbeer. And I really wanted to try my butterbeer. And butterbeer was halfway through the trail. Butterbeer is halfway through the trail. So that stopped halfway through.
But I looked, it didn't say butterbeer.
It's signs right over there. There's a sign.
Well, I guess
Oh, you're you got the same feeling as I did.
Well, we can go back.
But I looked.
It was halfway through, yeah.
Let's go back.
They had the exact same sign, just advertising hot chocolate.
No, over there. There's an actual sign by itself up on the wall.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know.
Can we go
But they-
back then?
No, you can't. You've already been through. I don't think they'll let you through again.
Is that just a butterbeer?
I don't want to walk back.
Not for. Oh wow, you got marshmallow. Have you finished the must? All right, good girl. Oh no, it is sticky. Marshmallow is sticky.
Sorry, Willow.
Marshmallow is very sticky, isn't it? Yeah. So how'd you feel?
Yeah. I'm just very disappointed now.
Because of the butterbeer? That's all right.
Well-
Apart from the butterbeer, how was it? How'd you feel?
Like, I can't enjoy any of it now.
What do you mean you can't enjoy any of it?
All I came here for was butterbeer.
Okay, I feel like you didn't just come here for butterbeer because you didn't even know there was butterbeer until today.
Well, we assumed there would be.
Well, we didn't.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, we did. We were talking about it earlier.
Before we even got here.
Remember? This morning. He's got dementia. He won't remember. Forgot about that.
You're correct.
You're holding it so on camera,
She did.
No.
I was recording.
You can put that on YouTube because it's funny.